Divide fractions, unit fractions, by whole numbers. So remember that a unit, uni, means one. So unicorn is an example. So this stands for 1 in the numerator. So this is the opposite of what we did yesterday. So if you look at an example, this time we start off with a fraction, like 1/2, and we divide by 3. So what this is really saying is I have two parts, and I'm having to separate them into halves. So say we have a sandwich, and so I have to have two parts. And in that one part, I have to divide by 3. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And so if I count up all the parts, each part is worth 1/6. So the questions we want to ask ourselves are, how many equal sections are there now? And that would be 6. And then how many total parts? Well, we have 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 1 total part. And so now we can represent that as 1/6. Notice again, that's the same mentality of checking our work. One-sixth times 3 should equal 1/2 if I do this correctly. So I multiply across, I get 3/6, and that's 1/2. And that is the answer that I started with. Okay. To do a quick comparison, we had yesterday a whole number divided by a unit fraction. And today we have a unit fraction divided by a whole number. And so again, an example, different example would be 2 divided by 1/2. So I have 2 pieces. And I have to divide that in half. And so I have 4 pieces altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. But today, we're taking 1/2 and we're dividing it by 2. So say I have a half a sandwich, and I have the other half a sandwich, and I have to divide each half of a sandwich into 2. I have a total of 1/4 pieces each.